Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Sea Ray SLX 280. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 250 horsepower V8 engines. At the back here, we've got sea deck along the swim platform, which is really nice stepping on and off the boat on your feet. We've got a ski tow pylon for water sports, and this nice lounge seat here in the back. We've got chargers, controls for our audio, cup holders. Underneath this aft portion is a cooler. And then on the port side, we've got an opening storage area, which travels through up into the cockpit seating. So you could fit large water toys in here, your go bag, tons of storage underneath here, and has a 12-volt power adapter in case you needed to pump up some of those water toys. As we move up through the cockpit, we've got nice fender storage here in the floor along the sea deck. We've got a boarding step if your dock was a little bit higher and needed to step down into the boat. Here in the cockpit, really nice L-shaped seating. We've got a spot for a cockpit table, all of our stainless steel grab rails. We've got a space for a cooler that we can slide into. And then we've got our neat little console option here. So cup holders, induction charger, storage underneath here. This is just a really nice spot for this to throw more stuff for everybody sitting in the back, which while you're sitting in the back, you'll notice that we're covered by a power tower. So this is a bimini tower that goes up and down with the push of a button. You might want to drop it in case you're in indoor storage or just have a shallow bridge clearance to go under. And even if it rains, you can drop it down and be protected from the rain. And there's also an extension. This part here slides back out if you're laying out on the back and just need a little bit more shade. This will slide back out and you can slide it back in. Moving up to the helm area, we've got our helm seat, which slides in and out and also spins. So if you're not actively driving the boat and you want to be entertaining and with your company, this will spin around and you can enjoy your company here. We've got two 12-inch Simrad displays, our Fusion radio control, trim tabs, adjustable steering wheel, our Mercury binnacle for our throttles, and we've got the joystick with these 250 horsepower V8 engines. At the head area, we've got a glove box compartment and a really nice finished head. Sea deck on the flooring, sink in there, vacuum flush pump out, easy to get in and out, magnetic door lock as well. Moving up to the bow, we've got ample bow seating, and just take a look at the finish on these cushions that Sea Ray does. You get the diamond stitching, the inside pockets with cup holders, chargers, and there's a space for a bow table there as well. At the very bow, we've got our anchor windlass, we've got a freshwater washdown, and then we've got two holes up there where we can put our bow sunshade. So you've got carbon fiber poles that stick in there, bow sunshade clips to the hard top in case you wanted some shade up at the bow as well. And then underneath the starboard side seat is a very large area for storage. We've got our cockpit and bow table in there, the arms, and if you wanted to throw fenders, life jackets in there, it's a really neat use of that seat. So this Sea Ray SLX 280 is here in Westbrook, Connecticut. Come on down and check it out.